Guys, what's up? It's Medic and One Too Many RCs, Luke and Aaron here in Hong Kong. Today is a special day and a little bit on the odd side because the videos that you've already seen from the Defender Challenge and the Asian Scale Invasion and the Recon G6 are actually being edited by me today because technically I'm in the future.
We are in the future.
Yeah, exactly. 15 hours ahead out of the time zone that we're from, but I know you guys have been asking and begging for the footage, so I'm going to take time today, instead of going out to the manufacturers, to edit what you guys may have already seen. So I'm going to send Luke out. He's going to go out into China, cross the border, over to some of the manufacturers of RC parts. He's going to try and capture some footage for you. Luke is going to be your host for RC Adventures today.
Welcome.
Yeah?
I'll take you along. We will travel cross-border. We will go in to see some beautiful country and talk to some people and hopefully bring you guys some excellent footage. So
awesome.
Stay tuned and we'll show you what this country has to offer.
Travel with Luke today. Enjoy it. I'm going to keep working on the stuff you have already seen.
Right on.
Well, here we are. We're going to take the train, everybody. Thank you for joining along. You are my travel partner today since I am going to be rolling solo. You can see it's going to be another beautiful day. We're about to get on the train and the train station, so let's do that. I'm going to take you guys along as we access the train station. We are going to Lo Wu train station this morning. Hi, good morning. I'm traveling to the Lo Wu station.
Enter the gate, turn right and turn left.
Great, thank you so much.
Good day.
Train will stop service at Lo Wu. Passengers for Lok Ma Chau, please wait for the next train.
The train is, as you can see, meant not for tall people, unfortunately. We've reached our destination. We're about to get off the train, so let's see what mainland China has for us. All right, we've arrived in Shenzhen. We are in, where are we? Lo Wu Park. Lo Wu Port is where we're at. There we go, not park, port. Hopefully you've joined in this far and you can continue on. Hey guys, we're about halfway through our journey off to Michael's factory. We've stopped for some lunch.
Some delicious food. And I gotta tell you, this little dish right here is spicy.
We've made it. We are in Factory City here in Shenzhen. We are rolling through.
I don't think these are ping pong tables.
Yeah, ping pong tables. Yeah.
Yes? Ping pong?
Yeah, ping pong tables, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello?
Look.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi.
I'm Mark.
Hi, Mike. Nice to meet you.
Model.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
I have something to do.
Wow, look, we got some machines. Beautiful. Hi.
Some of our
There's their product wall.
product wall.
So we have some slashes. We have couple deuce bodies.
Yeah.
Got a very looking military truck.
Yeah.
They've got a Yeti SCX-10. A bomber down there. Little farm tractor.
Yeah.
We posted some of these beautiful products that were out at the event yesterday. Front mount battery tray, tools, wheel stand. These look like 2.2s. Baja claws. And then this is where all those beautiful photographs are coming out of. Wow, see? Some of you may recognize by doing your own
photographs on your rigs, you need a beautiful setup, and they definitely have the lighting. Look, they've got a little scale garage for some of their gear.
Guys, here we are in the R&D department for DC.
We've got many different parts and components here. These are just obviously for all the little wheels, screws, and whatnot. Not very often you see gold ones, do you?
Yeah, we have a lot of gold.
Yes,
Gold.
yes, absolutely.
Yeah, it's very fancy, you know.
This will be a strength tester. Test what the destructive testing, non-destructive testing.
Yeah. Testing. Yeah. We will separate to the no good and the good one. We separate.
Okay, so these ones have not passed the quality
Yeah,
control.
of course.
NG, this is NG.
No good. Yes, and then these are obviously tested and ready to go.
Yeah, we'll test one by one.
Cool.
One
And then
by
everything
one.
gets its own bin and gets separated, so
Yeah,
you know what is good, what is bad, and so you're
Yeah,
able to
yeah.
send out only good.
Each process we will check, and the final we will check again. Yeah.
Pedalock.
Yeah, speed lock wheels. Yeah.
Rings. Yeah.
For the rings, look at that. Machining quality is beautiful.
是吧？这个马蹄啊，这个漆叫马蹄啊，
哪一个？
这个漆，
漆啊。
对，有一些叫马蹄啊。
And so you can see that it's very clean back here.
Yeah.
Their machining and tooling is very clean.
This machine imported from Japan, brand.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
From Japan.
And this is your CNC?
Yes, this is
Can we watch one being made?
Okay, of course.
we ordered over 10 machines. Over
Wow.
10, but now only 3 arrived. It will be the next, early next year, it will be arrived.
Wow.
Imported from another country. It's a long way, you know.
So just so you know, it's still me and I'm still here and they are making this part live in front of you.
Yeah.
And we're gonna watch them machine this whole baby.
Okay. It's oil, no.
Okay.
换一个，没事，换一个。啊，看一下。
So that's obviously cutting fluid that they're using to lubricate the
drill micro hole.
micro holes.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can see.
So these are drilling the holes for the bead locks?
Yeah. Drilling hole for the 对，气质这个是吧？
Needle.
啊 ，needle 啊。
Needle 可以。哎，汽水这个挡汽水吗？这是for the needle. Needle. Simulation needle.
Ah, okay, for air. Yeah, okay, okay. It's funny is one machine.
Out of our product.
Wow.
Yeah. We separate for different process, you know.
Yes, yes. Okay, so we got some knuckles.
Yeah, of course.
Gearbox.
Gearbox. This is for what machine?
What machine? DC1 or SCX?
SCX-10-2 for the
Yeah,
deuce. So
yeah,
these are
that's it.
deuce.
Yeah.
Deuce
Okay.
parts.
Right.
Wow.
This is the hub.
Yes, yes. Hub.
Adjustable hub.
And we got,
different size, different size.
Shock mounts.
Yeah.
Mounts. Shock mounts.
Yeah.
We got wheel nuts. Look at the small, tiny components here. Amazing. The CNC work gets smaller and smaller. We have cases, transmission boxes.
Yeah.
Some super sexy wheels. These are the perches, shock perches that are going on the axle.
Yeah. For the suspension.
Yes,
Yeah. For shock.
for shocks. Lockouts.
Yeah.
So these are C-hubs
Yeah. They
for
have.
the deuce.
Yeah. Have different angle. Must buy that machine.
Yes.
Can change it. Yeah.
Wow.
This is coated, you know, has color. Already.
Oh, anodized.
Yeah.
Anodized.
Yeah.
Awesome. And you anodize in-house as well?
No.
Anodizing is done elsewhere?
Affect the environment, you know.
Yes.
We must have partner to help with us.
Right.
You know? Okay.
Wow, look at those. Wow, man.
Yeah. After the thing, we still.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then you clear it out, and that's how you get the color?
Yeah.
So that's what it
Yeah,
comes in
that's
like
before.
after anodizing, and that's after.
Yeah.
So you can see the machining process is
Different, you
finished
know?
it.
Yeah, okay.
Beautiful. And these are more deuce parts?
Yeah.
So these have been machined. You got the final flange on there, ready for the bearing assembly.
Yeah, you can use
Wow. Brake calipers.
Flatter. Yeah.
Wow.
You can see.
That's amazing. And I think he's making runners. These are skid plates.
Yeah.
Side runners.
Yeah.
As you can see him adjusting and putting it into the tooling and machine process. Pushes the button.
You can see the product after the project, you know. It's for the bomber.
For the bomber. Yeah, very wide.
Very wide, you know.
Yes, that's very wide.
43.5 centimeter.
43.5 millimeters.
Yeah, millimeter.
43.5 millimeters. And so these guys are sitting here
To assemble.
screwing and putting in these small bolts and wheels all day, and I'm sure you guys can all appreciate how much time and effort it takes to put all of this together. So thank you guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Our product assembled by, not by worker, by artifact, you know.
Wow.
Yeah.
So heavy duty bumpers.
For the pack, you know. Package, you know.
Yes.
Pack.
Wire clapper.
Wow.
Finished, okay.
And so you can see they've got some, these are the tools.
Tools. How
And
about
all the dies and things like that for them to make their parts.
Yeah.
And these also tools, or those blanks of material?
black materials for how to say it? You can see. 家具怎么说？
Ah, okay. So these are the dies.
Jig.
Yes. The
Jig.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Beautiful. So you can see all the individual parts have their own die on the outside. Cool.
Universal parts.
Yeah.
It's the same. So you can see the universal, no?
Yeah. And so these are all ready to be assembled by this team.
Yes. Yes.
Very cool.
Packing.
Yes. And so these are all ready to hit your market. You got motor plates.
Part.
Light.
Bar. Sample. That's I'll show you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got some motor cases. Wow, look at all these parts. Axle shafts. More wheels. Lots and lots. Batteries. Gotcha, batteries.
Very little battery because battery is dangerous. We can only have.
So here's the autoclave, and this is their painting department. And what do we have?
This, painted by our.
Tamiya from Japan.
Gotcha. So they look at all the Tamiya paint.
This is for the precision work.
Yeah, airbrushing. So they have someone in here painting bodies and getting all the lines up. I mean, look at the machine he's got lined up here. Nice Mercedes body. Beautiful. Some of you are looking at the paint going, I wish I could have the paint. Wow. Oh man, I could spend a day, 2, 3, 4 days just in this room. Wow. Also, we got the drift car seat out there. Got some beautiful wheels. These are ready to ship. This is obviously all the stuff that has made it out of the factory. GTRs. Tamiya. Dual charges.
Let's go. Online. Online
Wow.
shop. Yeah, online shop.
And what is your website?
No, we focus on China mainland business.
Distribution.
Yeah.
Gotcha. And so you service the local stores
Yeah,
through
local
Chineland and mainland. Wow.
Yeah. B2C or B2B. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. You can come to my office.
We have the slot car set up.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Well, that's pretty cool so far, guys. We'll have a little bit more for you shortly. Thanks for tuning in. Hey guys, we're on our way to see some CNC work in process. They have offered me a set of body panels. I have a Yeti XL that I just picked up, and I'm sure you've seen Medic's bomber with the metal body panels. So they're currently laser etching some body panels for me. Well, you know what, guys? It's been an epic day here at DC. These guys have been an amazing host. They have amazing products. You know, seeing from raw material coming in one side to the machines, the parts, the process. You know, there's many choices. Quality control seems to be excellent, and you know, it's pretty late into the evening, and these guys are still working. So you know what? Being Canadian, there's we like to be friendly, and so I'd like to present Mr. Moose here is our mascot, I guess, my mascot, Canadian mascot, and so Michael, I'd like to present the Canadian Moose to you.
Okay. Thank you.
It's just a little gift to sit on your desk as a memento of our time together.
Thank you very much.
Representation of our market.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Okay.